Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can use Moomoo trading app. So let's begin the video. Here on the home screen you can see this app, and if you open the app, here you can see how it look. And if we talk about how you can install that, for that you have to go to your app store, and here in the app store you have to search for Moomoo trading app. Now here you can see this Moomoo trading app. You can go and you can install this app from here. As I already have installed this app, so I will just go and I will open. Now here you have two options for creating an account. Here you can log in or you can sign up. For sign up, here you will need your email and your phone number. I will just go with my email here. Now here they will send a verification code on your email. You have to write that verification code here. Now here you have to set a password. After writing the password, here you can go and you can click on continue. Now here our account has been created, so we will just go and we will log in this time. Here just you have to write your username or email. Then here you have to go and you have to write your password. After providing all this information, you will gonna be logged into your account. Now here our account has been created. Now here you can see their home page. You can see here the watch list where you can see all the trending coins. Here you have this Apple, Tesla, Spy, all the trending coins. And here you can see this market option next to watch list. Simply click on that. Now here you can see the stock, crypto and all these things. Here you also have options as well. Now here if we go and if we search for a coin here, like for example Tesla, here you can also see USA heat a ranking coin as well. Here for the time being I will just search for Tesla to show you how it works. Here you have many options and the first one is Tesla. Simply go and open. Now here the Tesla coin has been opened next to us, and if you just press down, you can see here the market cap, the volume, and you can see here all the detail about this Tesla coin, and this detail is enough to know if you should buy this coin or not. Moreover, here you can see these charts. Here you can see their monthly chart, their 3-month chart, their yearly chart, and you can also move these charts with the finger to see the exact date and time as well. And similarly you can also see this bid and ask in the bottom as well. And here you can also go and you can apply the filter as well. Here you can see the range, you can see here the intervals. You can apply any filter based on the time here as well. And you can also go and you can change the graph to maybe candles, bars, charts as well. You can see here that now currently it's in the hollow candles. You can go and you can change that to candles or bars here as well, and area as well. Similarly you can also go and you can click on more, and from here you can also choose the indicators, market position and all these things here. Here in the indicator you have this main chart and sub chart. You can choose here the volume, market cap and different options. Here if we scroll down, now here you also have this Moomoo AI. You can also see here the market overview as well. You can see here the trade overview as well. Now here if we go and if we choose any stock from these suggestions, here I have picked one. You can see on the screen. Now here if you press it down, you can see more detail about this stock. Here you can see the open, the rate, the average price. You can see here the chart as well. Here you can also change the candle position, and you can also move that with the hand, and you can see the exact time and date as well. Here you can also see the components as well of the stock. That's basically how the stock works. Now if we go and if we open one more coin for you, here I have opened the Amazon coin, and to show you more, here if you press down, now here you can see their market cap. You can see here their average price, their turnover, their all these details will help you to find out if this coin is a better choice for you or not. And here you can also see their graphs in the bottom. You can also move this graph with the hand, and you can see the date. Like if I'm moving, you can see here the date and the time is changing. You can move that with your hand, and you can check the coin's trading rate at that time. And here if you talk about how you can buy the coin, for that you have to go and you have to click on trade here in the bottom. Here you just have to pick a order type. Here you have limit and market. You have to pick one order type here, and then you have to enter here the price and the quantity. Then you can buy or you can sell. And moreover here you can scroll more and you can see more the graph and overviews. And that was basically all about how you can use this Moomoo trading app. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.